What is it?
Le soleil.
The sun, are you sure it's the sun? Look. It's a sign, it's a special sign. Look.
Un ballon.
A ball? Is it a ball?
Stop.
Stop sign. Oh, it could be a stop sign, but it's, listen, it's peace and love. Peace and love. Very good. So,
yeah.
I have different pictures here, and you're going to repeat after me. Peace of mind. Peace of mind. Very good. We have peace. Peace with others.
With others.
Okay. The third one is peace. Peace. Celebration.
Celebration.
Very good. And the last one is peace. How do you do peace? Peace on earth.
On
earth. Very good. So we're going to choose different pictures. Anna, you can put the pictures where you think they are. So say friends.
Friends.
So repeat. Friends.
Friends.
Is peace.
Peace
With others. Very good. Celine, you can choose another picture.
Tolerance.
Very good.
With peace with others.
Very good. So remember, tolerance
Tolerance
is peace with others. Very good. And now you can choose another one. Yes, so it's nature
Nature
is peace on earth. On earth.
Peace
On earth. Okay, Celine?
Meditation. Yeah.
Okay. So, meditation is peace of mind.
Of mind.
Very good. Anna? Very good. So, school is peace on earth. Very good. Do you agree? No? Why? What do you think? What do you think?
I think. I think here.
Very good.
Celebration.
Celebration.
Yeah.
Okay, so remember, peace, celebration.
Celebration.
Okay. So, do you want to change? Or you want to do another one?
Another one.
Okay.
Animals.
Is
Yeah. Is
peace on earth. Very good.
Peace on earth.
Anna? Love
Love is peace of
mind. Excellent. And the last one?
Yeah.
Oh, good guess. Non-violence
Non-violence
is
peace
of celebration. Peace celebration.
Celebration.
Very good. So then what we can do is discuss with the students if they all agree and if we want to switch pictures around or if we want to leave it that way. But basically most of the answers can be adapted to the kids' ages. But it was pretty well done. So let's congratulate all the students. Well done.
peace.